Well, guess where I am. And guess what road it's on? Yeah. Anyway, I'm here for a checkout on something. I'm here in the car. I'm actually on a run to get some food. Too lazy to cook. But here we are. Vellore Heritage Square. Why am I here? I was curious. There's something way up there. I kind of think it's something to do with history. Historic people. I'm gonna go and take a look, okay guys? Well, here I am, I made it. I thought there would be something else. I thought it was gonna be a mini graveyard, abandoned type of thing. Why am I saying that? Well, there's a couple of really old buildings right over there. And of course one with the tower you can see there. But that's an oldie there. And then same with the other one. And it just kind of, well, I thought it would be. But it doesn't look like this area here. It was hard to see from the road, and I was out of curiosity to come and check it out. Anyway, we got some people here. They're doing some photos on their cars. And they got themselves all kinds of special effects. I thought it'd be kind of cool to see what these guys are doing. They got two old cars, two nice cars. I guess they're doing a photo shoot on the car. And they got a photographer they hired. That was a van. And these two guys are just running all kinds of effects. Oh, you know what? It could be wedding. Might be engagement. Anyway, I thought I'd see that. There's trails here, by the way. If you ever come here, Vellore Heritage Square, park your car, go for a walk. Lots of trails. You can see the sign right there. There's a trail that goes there. I had just stood over there, and you can see there's a trail that goes into the bush over here, and it goes all in behind. To walk around, see nature. There's another old building right there. See that wooden one? Behind the gazebo. I don't know much about this. I see a sign. I think we'll go check it out, okay? Alright, hey, I'm at a sign here. I have no idea what it says. Let's look. Oh, Village of Vellore. Ah, okay, here we go. Got a bit of history. The town of Vellore, which is main buildings here. I guess we're downtown, I guess. And let's read here. Vellore received its name in 1864 when the community received its first post office, the Vellore Schoolhouse and the Township Hall that all remain of this hamlet site. So there you go. One's going to be a schoolhouse. I bet it's that one because it has a little ding-dong thing on top. I think that's about the only one I can figure out. I gotta really look at these things to see what they represent. This is an old building. My God, that's original. Shingles. It has actual cedar shingles. Anyway, go back to here. Let's see here. Vellore was an appropriate site for the local township hall behind me. The hall was constructed in 1845 and served as such until 1943. Geez, that's right after the war. The neighboring schools was constructed in 1868 and finally closed doors in 1964. In 89, these buildings were just restored to their 1920s appearance and remain today an integral part of Vaughan's built heritage. There you go. Now, who knows what this is? Probably old roads and that. That's the gazebo. There's the old building. Let's see if we can piece this together. They say there was a hall. Let's see, we've got community. The community received its first post office, schoolhouse, and township hall. Post office, guys. Which one do you think it is? The community hall, post office, and a school. Which one? Like I said, I think that's a school. I do see a bell up there. You know, they ring the bell. Recess, lunch, time to go home. Town hall, maybe this one. I'm just kind of going by the build and the style that might have been used. They wouldn't have put, obviously, a school bell or whatever up on top. Let me just look here. You can see there's Weston Road. A lot of construction. They're tearing down, building. God, this place has gone crazy with development. Oh. Audi. Okay. 9541. Look at this. We don't see these things. You drive by and there's all this stuff that you don't see. Heroes of Vaughan Township, who fought for God, King, and Country in the Great Cold War. Look at the names. 1914, 1915. Wow, a lot of 1915. 1916. There's some names here that received a little better spot on the. What is this? Copper, you think? Bronze? There's more here. So I'm going to say this is the town. I'm going to look here, okay? This is the town building. So we figured that out. There's World War II. Those they remember. Really nice. Nice to see. Hey, here's the school. Oh, look at this. There we go. That's something we'd like to see. No, we got the right one. SS number 9. Secondary School number 9. Up there, I'll read it. 1968 to 1925. I've seen, that's what they do for the schools. They'll put their secondary school number 9. Now, if you go up north, not far, there's the town of, just off King City. Just trying to think of the name now. Kinghorn. Kinghorn is up by King Road and Weston. Just basically go straight up there. And there they have a school. It's all preserved, museum and everything. Really neat. You can go in and see all the chairs and that. I have a video on that. You can check it out. But they did the same thing. They put that little stone up on top. And that's how they gave the number to the school. So what school do you go to? Oh, number 9. Huh? It's in Vellore. Oh, okay. It wasn't like Father John or anything like that. Oh, you're a noisy squirrel. It's up there. Anyway, guys, I thought you'd like to see it. It's just a little pit stop I'm making here. I'm supposed to go get something to eat, bring it home. And it was just a curiosity. I always thought this would be cool to see. Anyway, I'm out. You guys take care, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.